How to get ChatGPT to recommend your business to new customers. What's up, everyone? James here, and by now you probably have realized that Google is no longer the biggest source of new customers. Maybe you used to rank in the three pack and get a lot of traffic, but now you've fallen off. Or maybe your business is still in the three pack and you're wondering where all the clicks went, why no one is coming to your business. Well, it's here, it's AI, and it's called ChatGPT. So, what I want to show you is how to actually get ChatGPT to recommend your business. The thing is, your customers have a new search engine. Millions of people are asking AI every day for recommendations. So when they ask about your industry, who is ChatGPT and the other AI tools sending them to? Is it you or is it your competition? The truth is, if you're not AI's answer, today you're invisible. You can have the perfect business, but it's like being on a street that nobody uses anymore. Maybe you have seen that in your neighborhoods. Some of those strip malls that used to be popular, used to be filled with people, and now people just drive right past. Maybe they built a new highway and nobody even goes by there anymore. That's exactly what's happening now with AI. So what that means is that the old marketing methods are a constant, expensive, uphill battle for attention. You're paying more and more for ads. You're having to create more and more posts on social media to get the same traffic you used to, and that's because people are turning to AI to get their answers. But the thing is, it's not luck. It's a system. Just like with SEO and with ranking on Google, right? If you just go and do whatever you want, you don't get very good results. But if you follow a proven process, and follow the path that other people have used to get there, everything starts to make sense. So this is a completely new category of customer acquisition. Introducing Get On GPT, the first and only step-by-step blueprint to becoming the #1 AI recommendation in your field. Now the cool thing is there's no tech skills or AI experience required. You're literally just going to be following a checklist. In other words, clicking buttons. There's no advanced prompting. There's nothing like that. Everything is going to be laid out for you in a step-by-step, simple process where if you were able to click buttons and find this video, you'll be able to click buttons and follow along with this checklist. So what does it look like? It's a simple 3-step process. Step 1, you're going to optimize your digital footprint so that AI can find you. This is kind of the tried and true old methods of SEO, right? You're going to optimize your website, your social media accounts, and things like that. Then step 2, we're actually going to feed the AI the exact information it needs to trust you, right? AI is not going to recommend your business if it doesn't trust you. So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to get these AI tools like ChatGPT to trust you so that you can reach step 3, which is becoming the definitive, logical answer in your market. In other words, when somebody asks AI about your industry, you want the AI to spit back a link to your business and actually recommend you. So realistically, your competition doesn't even know this exists, which makes this the perfect time to take action on it because the few businesses who have already figured this out are getting a flood of high intent customers. In other words, they have customers who are literally told by AI to contact them, right? Basically just digital zombies here. They ask a question, the AI says this business, and they just come straight to you. That's how straightforward this is. But it's important that you understand the window of this opportunity will close, just like being one of the first people on Facebook or one of the first people on TikTok. Right? There is a limited time for this. So you have a couple of choices. You can either keep fighting for scraps with the old crowded marketing methods like Google My Business and Facebook and TikTok, or you can become the AI's favorite and have perfect customers sent directly to your door. But you have to act fast. So here's everything that you get today if you decide to take action on this right now. You're going to get locked in early access to the blueprint. These videos are coming soon. We're launching on September 19th. So by purchasing before then, you'll get locked in at the lowest price possible. You'll get early access to the private member-only Facebook community where you can start networking and learning about what we're going to be doing here, you'll get 100 done for you social media profiles. Obviously, social media is an important signal to both Google and AI that your business is real and it's important. So we're going to go ahead and set up 100 done for you social media profiles. Hands off, they'll just be delivered to you in a spreadsheet so that you can log in and do whatever you want to do with them. You're also going to get 100 news website backlinks. In other words, get mentioned on mainstream media affiliate sites like Fox and NBC, right? 100 news website backlinks pointing directly to your business, which again is going to confirm to the AI that you are the authority in your field. Now, on top of that, this is where the magic happens. We are going to run a campaign of over 500 real humans to train AI on your business. That means 500 different people or more around the world are going to log into their AI and tell them everything you want the AI to know about your business. And this is what's going to supercharge the AI to start recommending you as an authority, because 500 people have already told it that, hey, you are the authority in this niche. So what else you're going to get is weekly Get Unstuck Zoom calls once we launch. Once we launch on the 19th, I'll be doing a Zoom call once a week, and you're invited. You can come ask me questions directly. If you can't make it to the Zoom call, they'll be recorded and posted so that you'll be able to watch them inside the Facebook community and comment and still get your questions answered, even if you aren't live. So just to recap, here's everything you get today. Locked in early access to the blueprint when it launches on the 19th. You'll get early access to the private member-only Facebook community, 100 done-for-you social media profiles, 100 done-for-you news backlinks, 500 real human AI training sessions, and again, those weekly Get Unstuck Zoom calls once we launch. So you know what to do. Become the AI's favorite by clicking the button down below to get your early access to the blueprint, and do it before your competition does. So again, that website is getongpt.com to get early access. Lock in the lowest possible price before it goes up. The price of this program will be doubling by the time we launch on the 19th. So the time to get in and save money is now. And again, start doing this before your competition does. Thanks for your time, and click the button down below. I'll see you on the inside.